Thanks for joining me for Bible journaling. Today, I'm going to be working in my Illustrated Faith, Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional, and I'm going to be on session 3. So today's prompt is His Peace. And since I'm not feeling very peaceful today, this seems very appropriate. So our verse today is John 14:27. Let's see. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. I love that. And then the back of our card today says, one of the last things Jesus said in his time on earth is found in John 14:27. He gave the gift of his peace, such a deep peace that it doesn't compare with the inner peace that the world offers. That means we can always draw from his gift of peace and learn to rest in him. So our prompt today says, read today's scripture and spend some time pondering how his peace differs from earthly peace. So I definitely love that. This comes at a perfect time. I'm feeling very restless today, so I definitely need to spend a little bit of time in my Bible and draw some peace and rest from my Father. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward and we'll get started. Alrighty then, so I went ahead and applied 2 coats of clear gesso to my page so that I wouldn't have to worry about bleed through. And then I've outlined my verse so that I'll remember that that's where it is. And I've decided to go ahead and copy the front of this card onto my page today. So I'm going to use my Illustrated Faith watercolors and we're going to do some painting.
Alright, so now I'm going to put my title on the page. I just went ahead and slipped the card behind the page, and I'm going to use my black watercolor paints to just trace over the top of the title and put it onto my page. This is a quick, easy way for us that do not do hand lettering to make a pretty title on our page. It's pretty easy to see through the page. I did have to lift it up a couple of times there in the end because there's something on the other side of the page, or the words were obscuring it, so I couldn't see it as good. So that was a little bit of a problem, but otherwise I gave it a couple of coats and I called that good for my title today. Finish my page off by putting a little tab there on the side, and I picked the one with the candle on it to go with my page, and I went ahead and cut it in half so I can use the other half later on. And to take the sticky part off the back of the tab later, I'm going to add a little bit of my anti-static powder tool that I use for embossing, or you can use a little bit of baby powder on the back and then it will take the sticker off so you don't have to worry about it sticking to everything. Then I'm just going to finish my page up with some journaling there and today's date, and that will do it for me for Bible journaling today. I hope you had fun. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you're having a fabulous week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.